In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Microsoft Bookings to your Outlook signature. By the end, you'll have a professional email signature that automatically includes a link to your bookings page so people can schedule time with you without all the back and forth. First, make sure you're using Outlook on the web or the new Outlook for Windows. The process is the same in both. Go ahead and open Outlook, and once you're looking at your inbox, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon there. That's the settings button. Click on that to open your Outlook settings panel. When the settings panel opens on the right, you'll usually see a quick settings section at the top. For this setup, we need the full settings menu. At the bottom of that panel, look for an option that says something like View All Outlook Settings and click it. This will open a larger settings window with more detailed options. Now, we need to get to the place where your email signatures live. Depending on your version, you'll either go through the account section or the mail section. If you see accounts in the left-hand list, click that and then choose signatures. If you don't see accounts, look for mail instead, and under mail, select compose and reply. Both of these paths will take you to the signature editor where you can create, edit, and manage your email signatures. Once you're in the signature area, you should see any existing signatures you've already created, along with the editor where you can change the text, formatting, and layout. Take a moment here to choose the signature you want to use or create a new one if needed. This is helpful because the bookings link will be added as part of that signature. Below the main signature editor, look for a setting related specifically to Microsoft Bookings. You're looking for a checkbox labeled Include a link to my bookings page in my signature. This setting tells Outlook to automatically attach your Microsoft Bookings link at the bottom of your chosen signature. Go ahead and tick that checkbox. If you have multiple signatures, make sure you're editing the one you actually use for new messages or replies. If needed, confirm in this same window which signature is set as the default for new emails and which one is used for replies and forwards, so your bookings link shows up where you want it. After you've enabled that checkbox, it's important to save your changes so the setting takes effect. Look toward the bottom or the top right of the settings window for a save button and click it. If you close the window without saving, the bookings link won't be added. Once you've saved, you can quickly test that everything worked. Start a new email, and when the compose window opens, check your signature at the bottom of the message. You should now see a link to your Microsoft Bookings page included there automatically. That's all you need to do. You've successfully added Microsoft Bookings to your Outlook signature, making it much easier for others to schedule time with you directly from your emails.